Who would have thought it's been 13 years since this hilarious, iconic moment? Yes, it's hilarious, but it's also iconic because one pose in a ceremony made more than 10,000 people laugh and make jokes in just one night, with the account rapidly gaining followers throughout the Oscars night. And what makes it even more interesting is that one of the roots is related to Versace. The dress was a black Atelier Versace gown worn at the 2012 Oscars by Angelina Jolie. It featured a strapless, structured bodice with a sculpted waist and a full-length skirt cut with a high, sharp slit that exposed the leg. Her leg-out pose proved a lightning rod for almost instant parody. The recipients of the Best Adapted Screenplay Award, which Jolie presented, mimicked her pose as they accepted their Oscar. One fast-fingered fan even started a Twitter feed in tribute to Angelina's well-displayed right leg, called Angelina Jolie's Leg. The account has attracted more than 27,000 followers since it was opened on Sunday evening. I'm not saying the pose or the dress itself was iconic. What made this moment iconic is what it did to people. It made thousands react, laugh, recreate it, and keep it alive long after the Oscars ended. And anything that can do that, anything that people can't stop coming back to, that's what ICONELLE calls iconic.
Come on. Come on.